Hello people, welcome back to Skill in Tech. As we all know, Windows 11 brought us a new File Explorer design, but not everyone loves the changes. If you're missing the classic Windows 10 style but still want to use Windows 11, don't worry, there's an easy way to bring it back using a tool called Windhawk. In this video, I'll show you how. Here comes the first problem. What is Windhawk? For quick understanding, Windhawk is a lightweight, open-source tool designed for customizing your Windows experience. It allows you to tweak system features and add mods to fit your preferences, like restoring the Windows 10 File Explorer style or other tweaks. It's a very useful tool and free to use. To get started, head over to the official Windhawk website and download the installation file. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. After installation, open Windhawk and navigate to the Mod library. Search for Classic Explorer navigation bar and click Install. Click Accept Risk and Install. After finishing the installation, go back to the mod settings and set it to Classic Navigation Bar. Click Save Settings. Windhawk will automatically apply the mod after a quick restart of the File Explorer. And that's it. Now, your File Explorer has the familiar Windows 10 look. You can explore files, folders, and navigation panes just like before. Windhawk makes the process simple and reversible anytime. To reverse, just disable or remove this mod and wait for a moment. Then, open the Task Manager and restart your Windows File Explorer. Your screen will blink once or twice. Then boom, you're back to Windows 11 style. Additional tips. Windhawk isn't just for File Explorer mods. You can explore other tweaks and enhancements for your Windows experience. And if you ever want to revert changes, simply disable or remove the mod within Windhawk. With tools like Windhawk, customizing your Windows experience has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Windows tweaks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.